Bear's Scare by Jacob Grant. Bear was sure of many things. He was sure that his house was clean. He was sure that his rooms were tidy. He was certainly sure that he took very good care of everything inside. There was one thing Bear loved to care for most of all: a small stuffed friend named Ursa. They were always together. Each day, Bear and Ursa cleaned the house high and low. They cleaned inside and out. It was on such a day that Bear found something odd. "That's funny," said Bear. "I'm sure I didn't leave any books out." When Bear looked closer, he saw something not funny at all. Bear tried to keep calm, but the more he searched, the more messy webs he found. "Ursa, we have a spider problem," said Bear. "I am sure the spider is covering our home with more sticky webs." "I am sure the spider is making a giant mess with its many legs." "I am certainly sure the spider is nothing like us," said Bear. "Ursa, we must find this messy guest." Bear and Ursa searched high and low. They searched inside and out. But they didn't find any spiders. "This spider is extra sneaky, but it cannot hide from us," said Bear. He sprang up to continue the search when something terrible happened. Bear lay there for some time. "My poor friend, I sure never meant to make such a mess." Once again, Bear searched high and low. He searched inside and out. He had to find a way to help his friend. When Bear returned, he could not believe what he saw. His dear Ursa was good as new. There, among the books, Bear found something he never expected. He did not mind the spider's sticky webs. He did not mind the spider's many legs. "I certainly do not mind sharing my home with one more friend." And that was something Bear could be sure of. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more kids' story time.